Hey guys, welcome back. It's Bethany and I am one busy mama here. I have my Boxycharm base for July. This is under my other account that has a different profile. So hair color is different, eye color is different, skin tone is the same because I don't want to get messed up. So if you want to see what I got under my other account, then keep watching. Alright, so this is the $25 base box with Boxycharm. There is the $35, which is the premium, and then there is the every 3 months Luxe box, which is $49, basically $50, but you only get it every 3 months, and it replaces this one. So I did this one under my other email account under a different type of profile, as I said. So I am interested in doing this sort of experiment to see if I'm getting better products under a different profile. So let's open it up. It weighs 1.5 pounds. And if you haven't seen my other base box, I will leave that link up above. That one was variation 40. So here we go. And it is different. All right, let's pull out the card. This is variation 17. I don't know if that's gonna show up. Probably not. All right, variation 17, and you've seen a little sneak peek, and I've already seen some stuff that I did not get. And again, check out the other video. So let's pull out the first item. It is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This MSRP is $49.95. The packaging is amazing. I did get this in my other box. So I will be giving this one away. Beautiful package. It does have watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. It is full size, 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce. So I will be giving that away. So this is a great thing. It says that it brightens the complexion of glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. Who doesn't want that? Plus, it does smell great. I did smell it in the other video. It has pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts. So I got ahead of myself. The month of July for Boxycharm is sunshine. I just wanted to see what was in the box so fast. Okay, so next is Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow. MSRP $29. And I've never gotten Hourglass, so this is interesting. And the color is Burnish. Never heard of that kind of a color, but okay. So this is a weightless, refined glitter eyeshadow infused with light reflecting pearls to create high impact sparkling eyes. Oh. So it's just like one eyeshadow. Very nice packaging, I will say. So there's the packaging. The color is Burnish. It's made in Korea. That's really cool. And I'm not going to take it out, but it's more like a copper bronze color, and it has this little cap there. I will be giving this away because I don't really use single eyeshadows. I found that the majority of the time they just sit in my bag and I never really reach for them. So I will put this to the side, but this is such a nice product. Okay, next up, ooh, actually I'm going to skip that. We'll go on to these little guys. They are so cute. They look like little capsules. So it is the Sol de Janeiro shampoo and conditioner. They are cute. Very, very cute. They retail for $24. And I don't think this would be full size for $24 unless it comes as a set. These are 3 fluid ounces or 90 mLs. Look at the little lid here too. It's really cute. So This would be really great for traveling. Of course, it smells amazing. It's color safe. That's the conditioner. The shampoo, it has like this blue writing here, which is kind of hard. It has Brazil nut, selenium, and buriti fruit oil. What is that? But it says it's color safe. So let me smell it again. Oh, it has a seal, but you can smell it even, yeah, you want to smell it? You can smell it through the seal. Okay. So $24 for this set. It is very nice. Let's see what they say. Strengthening and smoothing shampoo and conditioner. This set includes a creamy leather, sulfate-free shampoo and a creamy, rich, yet weightless conditioner for silky, touchably soft hair. The patented Soul Seal technology is clinically proven to smooth and restore healthy hair. $24, again, is not bad if it's like a bigger size. I will have to give it a try. It does say it's sulfate free. I wonder if it's paraben free, because I don't use any products that have parabens. So I will check with that before I use it. If I don't use it, I'll just let my daughter use it. All right, and then next up, we have the Lavish Color Switch. This is retail value $17. It's a dry makeup brush cleaner. So you put your brushes in here. All right, I already got one of these, so I'll probably give this one away. And last, I have the palette. It is the Ace Beauty, or Ace Beauté, as I like to call it, Bronzed in Paradise palette. This is a pretty package. It is 0.62 ounces, retails for $30. Really, really pretty here. The Bronzed in Paradise bronzer palette is an addition to the much loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. It has a sleeve, which is really nice. So let me show you the colors. A sun-kissed look. I could see those colors would work. Actually really nice colors. Trying to not blind you. It doesn't smell. I mean, I'm used to just like the Too Faced thing. Just smells like something really great. And is it Too Faced? Yeah. I'm asking my son like he really cares. So this is a very light shade, and this is the deeper shade. And on the camera it looks really light, but it is very nice and versatile. You could probably use these as eyeshadow bases if you wanted to. And it comes with a mirror, which is very, very nice. So to recap on this Boxycharm Variation 17, we got a palette. Yay! It is the bronzer palette from Ace Beauty. We got an Hourglass single eyeshadow shade in the color Burnish. We got the Sol de Janeiro shampoo and conditioner duo. We have the Clean Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster, and the Lavish Color Switch makeup brush cleaner. Okay, so because I can't talk anymore, let's just wrap it up. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Do you think I did get a different box just because I said I was less comfortable with makeup? Versus my other box, I said I was okay with makeup, and I did put a different type of profile. I don't know if it's making a difference. Do you think this box was better than the other box? All right, guys, so if you haven't hit that like button, please do, and subscribe. Why not? Stick around. And as always, guys, stay safe.